You beat her. You do all the things them. I know. Cash not hiding her from me.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless hello and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, Kingston, Queensland and Linus. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and health of our wealth. And your health is your wealth. Yes, yes, I take care of it. Good morning. Anyone that big up on a nice clean self. Yes, what I say? I don't know a lion for another vlog. I will say give thanks to life. You know what I mean? I have to start the vlog with that. You know what I mean? Give thanks to life. Life are the greatest. Give thanks to the little that you have. So it's anyone that big up on yourself. If you're not new to the channel, you don't know the routine already, I always ask you. Please consider subscribing. Yeah, man, and click the bell when I do so you don't miss the content when I drop it. You see what I say? Yes, man, and also the original ones on the platform, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content. Saying your support is highly appreciated. Now, my viewers and subscribers coming up in this vlog is just a quick update. You see what I say? Yes, man, I don't know. Roshane, Bennett, the prosecution is to seek the death penalty. You know what I mean? In the case of the 23-year-old, you know what I mean, who go on with the quintuple slaughteration of the mother and my cousin and her 4 pregnant them, you see me? Yeah, man, there are also to psychiatrist evaluation ordered for a test to be done on him, you know what I mean? So we'll talk about that. And also the young girl who also was taken out by her baby father, 2 young couple. You see me I say? 17-year-old and 18-year-old, you see me? He's now a wanted man. Father now a wanted man in the shooting, DATH, of child's mother. You see me I say? The next thing we'll talk about, 6 men in Portmore robbery caught after car crash are now charged. Remember that chase we did go on with you? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So before we get into it, you know we're going to take a quick intermission.
Words of advice and encouragement. Trigger finger, say the mid hot. And I go round and a fire while shot. Stop. Who are issue contract? Feel the killing them go shoot up the black. Stop.
Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows okay. Don't forget to like and share, my viewers and subscribers. You see it? Yes, man. I don't know. We say stop the crime. You know what I mean? Martin, go check out that single place for my artist page, Ras Imerick on YouTube. I just type in Ras Imerick, stop. I listen to the song. I don't know if it's a promotional song, but it'll get some good feedback, you see? Yes, man, your support is highly appreciated. And drop a comment, let me know what you think, because you don't know your comment means a lot. Yes, man. Yes, when I say your comment values. See, so for us, my viewers and subscribers, we are going into our Roshane Bennett, you know. Yeah. See? So, basically, the prosecution they must seek the death penalty for him, you know what I mean? And this is what the article said in the Gleaner. The prosecution is to seek the death penalty in the case of a 23-year-old Roshane Bennett who's been charged with the Mvrd of his cousin, a mother and her 4 children in Cocoa Peace, Clarendon. You see what I say? So the prosecution I go hard for him. You see me? You don't know that it's a quintuple. You call it a quintuple murder. See? I don't know what flying in my head. What cause if he do something like that? He might have the guts, he might have the heart. Who does that? As me saying in the first vlog. You see what I say? They are also to seek psychiatrist evaluation harder. You know what I mean? To do test on him to see if he did right there in his state. But my viewers and subscribers, if them carry out that test you know, and them say, okay, he never right, because him can act mad, you know. I know people like that will go out with them foolishness and them act mad and beat them case or get a lighter charge or sentence and end up on watch, suicidal watch from prison over here in the UK. You see me? So let me know if you think that's fair, because him go do a psychiatrist evaluation, you know, and them say, boy, he never right it, you know. You know, so we're going to escape the penalty, them going to go for the death penalty. You see me I say? Let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers, because you don't know, some of them judges, you can't trust them because you see enough things them go on and let go some people after some things where them shouldn't be let go after. So you have to just wait and see and hope the family get the right justification, you know what I mean? Zine condolence to the families them and again, you see me I say of the mother, you know, and the 4th child. You see me I say sad man, sad. You see it. Moving on, my viewers and subscribers, the next one now. Father now a wanted man in the shooting DEATH of child's mother. Zine. The Kingston Western Police have upgraded to wanted the status of a man previously listed as a person of interest in the KILLING, 17-year-old Devonese Nelson, the mother of his child. He is 17-year-old Eric Brando Murdoch. You name Murdoch? Murdoch, the body name Murder. Their child is 4 months old. Murdoch was given until 6 o'clock Monday evening to turn himself in. However, up to the press time, he remained at large. So he was given a specific time to turn up and he didn't. So now they've upgraded this person of interest to now wanted. You see me? That means he's guilty. Because if him never guilty, he'll hand in himself and will give him statement and them things. And plus he must have witness. Zine, 2 young couple, 17 and 17. The baby, 4 months old. How sad that is, man. Boy, I tell my viewers and subscribers, I don't know what led to this for jealousy and why. You see me? Young couple star, babies having babies. You know, and it's just sad condolence to the families and friends of Devonese. You see me? Again, we say stop the crime. We couldn't look a piece more there.
All who they on the line and a chop. And have manly a pop. Stop. The friendship code crack. Friend a stop, friend not back. Stop.
Yeah, man, stop the crime, man. Stop, man. You see me? So now he's wanted, and my advice to him is best him just get a lawyer and turn himself in, you know, and go face him consequence. You see me? I say, yes, man, because the longer him leave it, the more it will come worse on him. So viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that. But just before that, I want to look at clippings of Devon's sister. I cry and I say, you know, he used to abuse her. I would say, stop the violence against women. You know, Lionfoot always I say, stop the violence against women. Zine, and women, stop the violence against men. Equality, diversity. Zimmy, so watch a little clippings of her sister talking.
Peter, you do all the things them. I know, because she not hiding her from me. She not there's no other word but to hide from me. Uncle, did you hear that talk to her? None of this word she hide from. She not hide nothing. Because she saw me her best friend. She saw me her best friend. If she cry, I cry. I feel hurt.
Jenna, my viewers and subscribers, it is so sad, you know, sad. And it's not nice to lose someone, you see me? It's not nice to lose someone, star. Or again, we have to stop the crime, we now stop reiterate it. You see me? Moving on, my viewers and subscribers. Remember that chase they were going already and the car crash and some man get arrested, apprehended, you know what I mean? Right now they have been charged. Zine, 6 men in Portmore robbery caught after car crashed. Charge. Zine. Yeah. And they have now been named, so once them name public, you know, Lionfoot are going to show and call out them name because they are now public in the public domain. See me? That's what Footer always I say. Big up Footer. Yeah, man. 6 alleged robbers who were nabbed by the St. Andrew police when their getaway car crashed have been charged. In the early hours of Saturday, June 11th, the 6 men allegedly tore away a wooden section of a bar and cut the locks to the entrance grille. The men then reportedly pried open the door, entered and stole several items, the Portmore police say. See, so the man then went in on the bar, the man go rob in a star, Jano, in a nice. I would have somebody where try a little start a way to make a way out in a life, you know? And then go target the bar, you know. You see me? Set back the people in my square one. But luckily the police intervened and you know they got charged and them thing there, you know. They got arrested and charged. You see me I say? So the 6 men, well, one of them is a vlogger too, you know. Charged for the breaking and larceny are Lateral Fresh Prince Gideon. Middle name, street name, Fresh Prince, I take it. Lateral Fresh Prince Gideon, 21 years old, a Higgler of Pink Lane, Kingston 14. Kevin Lindo, otherwise called Georgie, 31, a Higgler of Chestnut Lane. Higgler, you know the man in my house, of Kingston 14 as well. Rayando Rastad, Ras, a female name, street name, and middle name, Ras. Rayando Rastad, 38, an auto body repair of Tobias Road, Kingston 11. Elvis E.J. Keith, 18 years old, a vlogger of Milk Lane, Kingston 14. Javan Brown, 25, a vendor of Pink Lane, Kingston 14. Kyle Lewis, in Bingham Name Street, number Boy, 20, a laborer of Pink Lane, Kingston 14. So 5 of them are from Kingston 14. 1 is from Kingston 11. And including the 6 of them, 1 is a vlogger. So come like say, the vlogging now to bring in the income or nothing, you see me, because if you would have vlog, you know, and I make money, you wouldn't have them thoughts there. If you go do them, you go make them move there, you see me? And you don't know, some of the vloggers, they will have the big subscribers on the platform. Them see them check, you know what I mean? I'm on time. You see, when I like me, where every now and then me get a little thing, and every month me get money, you know. The last money me get from my vlogging, I was £70. You see me? £70. And then every month, some month me not get nothing. You see it? But I don't know, me have my 9 to 5. You see me? And just do the vlogging to push my music. You see me? Yeah, so boy oh boy. So sad, man. You see me? Higgler. 2 of them are Higgler. 1 is a mechanic. You see me? 1 is an auto body repair. Higgler. Yo, me I tell my viewers and subscribers. Vlogger, vendor, laborer. All of them have a job, you know. All of them have something doing. It's not like I said they know nothing to do. So, I don't know. Come like, when me say here, say them going to target and get a link and I'm an influencer, man, 1. I saw it going on, 1 say, yo, you know, say, you have a link and I make a move, and man say, alright, yeah, man, bring me panic, man, I come, man. So, said, so done at the wrong move, I'm going to make a little vlogger right now, 14-year-old. You see me? No, 18-year-old. John knows time of viewers and subscribers. So let me know what you think about that. I don't know. That was just a quick update, and again, when I say, be good, do good, stay good, do the right thing, help someone if you can. You know what I mean? Stay out of trouble, stop the crime. My viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? I know your comments matters, your feedback mean a lot. As you may say, I lie and put you another vlogger ready to another boss now brag. I'm out. Not another word out of me, out.
Trigger finger, say the mid, I go road, none of fire wild shot. Stop. Who are issue can't chat? Feel the killing, them go shoot up the black. Stop.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.